Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be doing my 1K giveaway to my subscribers, so let's get started. So I have reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I could not be more grateful for every single one of you who have subscribed and supported my channel and my journey. I truly appreciate every single one of you. So I did want to do a giveaway and give back to you guys who have supported me. So I put together a little kit. This is kind of like a beginner's kit. It would be perfect to someone who is just starting out or who is wanting to start doing nail art. This is the perfect beginner's kit. It kind of has everything you need to get started. But if you're a nail lover already, this is a good kit to try out different brands that maybe you haven't already. So I'll go through and I'll insert footage of everything up close. But I have purchased all of these items on my own. This video is not sponsored. There's a couple items that were gifted to me, but I had a duplicate already. Other than that, everything I have purchased to give to you guys for myself. So there is a Madam Glam starter kit. There is a mini LED UV lamp. I have a base top and velvet matte top coat, and then I have 7 of my top used Madam Glam colors. You'll probably recognize most, if not all of them. They are 7 of my most used colors. I just wanted to share that with you guys. That way you guys can see that these colors are amazing. I have 2 Young Nails files. These are my favorite files to use, so thought you guys might want to try them as well. I have holographic glitters, which who can say no to holographic glitters? Some striping tapes to try out, some gold foil. I have a variety of Glitter Heaven Australia glitters for you to try, as well as this OPI kit that has a hand cream, cuticle oil, and my favorite product, which I don't think I've talked about enough, and it's probably been a while since I've talked about it. Their cuticle exfoliator cream is amazing, so I definitely wanted you guys to try that out.
So here is the mini UV/LED lamp from Madam Glam. It has cute little legs on it. This is perfect for on the go or to just store away. Then we have 3 toppers and base. So we have a base coat, we have no wipe top coat, and we have my favorite velvet matte top coat. Then we have these 7 colors that are my top used. We have Perfect White and Perfect Black, of course, staples. Madam Glam's Pivot, I actually have this on my nails. Perfect Nude. We have Lonely Boy, which is a nice hunter green. We have Amore, which is a perfect red. We have Angel Wings, which is a baby pink. Light Lilac, one of my favorite purples. Here we have the 2 Young Nails files. These are 100 grit. Here is the set of 12 holographic glitters. Aren't all these colors gorgeous? We have the striping tapes in various colors. We have a gold foil, which is easy to add to any nail design. These are the glitters from Glitter Heaven Australia. We have Joy, which is silver, white, pink, and purple. Autumn Leaves, which is an autumn mix. Dreaming of a White Christmas, some snowflakes. Pink Gold, which is hollow. We have Brandy, which is this fun metallic mix. We have Purple Gem, a purple and black. Shazam, which is this fun spring mix. Pretty Shards, which are super fun to play with. And finally Gold Digger, which is this beautiful gold holographic glitter. And then here is the OPI kit. We have the hand and nail cream, cuticle oil, which you always need, and my favorite out of the kit, the exfoliating cuticle treatment. You guys have to try this out.
Okay, so now that you've seen all the products and everything that's in the giveaway, let me go over the rules. This is unfortunately going to be a US only giveaway because shipping is a little crazy right now, so you do have to be in the US to receive this giveaway. And to enter in the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite video is from me, or at least your favorite like video format, whether that be tutorials, character nails, hand painting, reviews, swatches, whatever type of video is your favorite. I would love to know. And also let me know what else you would want to see from me in the future, because I mean, this channel is for me, but this channel is also for you guys. You are my subscribers, so definitely let me know what else you would love to see here on my channel. This video is going up Friday the 22nd at noon Mountain Standard Time. The giveaway will end Sunday the 24th, end of day, so midnight, Sunday night, Monday morning. So only for the weekend, but I want to be able to get this video out and get the giveaway shipped out next week, so that way I can get this giveaway to you guys as soon as possible. Winner will be announced Monday. I will choose a random comment in the comment section and I will reach out to you. I'll probably comment down below and have you email me your address if you are the giveaway winner. But again, thank you so much for all your love and support. I am, again, just so grateful for every one of you. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.